Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically remove filler words like and from your videos in 2025. This will save you hours of manual editing and make your content sound polished and professional. Step 1. Open your browser and head over to CapCut Online Editor or Descript Free Plan. Both of these tools now include automatic filler word removal. You can use whichever one you prefer. Step 2. Upload your video. Once the file is uploaded, the AI will automatically transcribe your audio into text. This step usually takes a minute or two depending on the length of your video. Step 3. Look for the Remove Filler Words option. In CapCut, it appears in the text editing panel. In Descript, there is a specific button labeled Remove Filler Words. Simply click it, and the AI will highlight all the ums, yas, likes, and repeated phrases. Step 4. Confirm the edits. The AI will suggest which filler words to cut. You can either approve them all at once or review them one by one if you want more control. The tool will then automatically edit your video and audio so the cut sounds natural. Step 5. Preview the cleaned version of your video. Play it back to make sure everything sounds smooth. If you are happy with the result, just export it in your desired format. And that is it. In less than 5 minutes, you can take a raw video full of distractions and turn it into a clean and professional clip without manually cutting every little pause. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below about which AI editing tool you are using this year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.